Do you often hear other companies share how they're making tons of money on email marketing and think to yourself, I wish I knew how to do that? Well, you're in luck. Getting started with email marketing might seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get started with email marketing step by step and help you increase your e-commerce store sales. We'll discuss how to grow your subscriber list, how to create your first campaign, and use automated emails to achieve a 40-to-1 return on your investment. Thanks for being with me. I'm Greg Zakowitz, an e-commerce marketing expert, and believe it or not, I've been involved with email marketing for more than 15 years. Here at Omnisend, I help e-commerce businesses learn how to improve their email programs, increase their sales, and improve their customer experience. Are you ready to start your email marketing journey? You're watching this video, so I know you are. Go ahead and click that like and subscribe button, and let's dig in. Your first step in creating a successful email marketing program is to choose the right email marketing tool, one that won't break the bank out of the gate, but will grow with you and has all the features you need to be successful. While there are various tools in the marketplace, we like Omnisend for this. While acknowledging that every business will have its unique needs and priorities, we put together a short list of essential must-haves for an e-commerce-centric email provider. So when deciding which email marketing platform is right for your business, the following 6 features are an absolute minimum. Number 1, sign-up forms. Your platform should provide tools like an email capture pop-up to grow your subscriber list. 2, an intuitive email editor. Look for a drag-and-drop functionality and a large variety of pre-built templates that you can quickly modify with your own content and your own branding. Number 3, automated workflows. Make sure there's a wide range of pre-built and custom automated workflows available for your use. Number 4, A/B testing. Split testing allows you to optimize your email campaigns to earn the highest engagement. 5, audience segmentation. Segmentation allows you to sort your audience based on things like purchase history. And number 6, reporting and analytics. Detailed real-time reports allow you to see the bigger picture in terms of ROI. Now, before we dive deeper, I want to let you know about a special offer from Omnisend just for our viewers. Right now, Omnisend is offering a 10% discount on all our premium plans. All you have to do is go to omnisend.com and use the code found on YouTube at checkout. And trust me, you don't want to miss out on this deal because Omnisend gives you access to each of these things in the must-have list I just mentioned. You can get the 10% deal right now. Just follow the link in the description and let's start boosting those sales together. After choosing the right platform, the next step is to build an email list. Think of new subscribers like you would think about oil in your car. Without fresh oil, the engine will eventually seize up and die. The great thing about email marketing is that it's an opt-in channel, meaning only customers who choose to receive emails will. And that's why it generates $40 for every $1 spent. Let's look at 3 best practices and strategies for growing your subscriber list. The first is the golden rule of list growth. Never, ever, ever buy a list. Now, why is that? For starters, you may be violating privacy laws, and that's never a good thing. Secondly, if you send emails to people who don't want them, you'll likely wind up in the spam folder, and this can damage your sender reputation even further, helping ensure your future emails also end up in spam. Number 2 is to keep your list clean. A healthy list is one that's free of inactive, invalid, and duplicate email addresses, all of which can damage your sender reputation. Like your car, give your list a regular cleaning. Look for a provider like Omnisend that offers list cleaning tools right inside the platform. The third is to use sign-up forms. Now, there are a variety of sign-up forms you can use on your website. These include pop-up forms, interactive sign-up forms, and landing pages. Let's briefly discuss each of these. Pop-ups are the most common and most effective tactic for growing your list, and they come in 2 forms. A new visitor pop-up and an exit intent pop-up. With a new visitor pop-up, when a new user visits your online store, they're presented with a box that pops up on the screen, asking them to join the email and SMS list. An exit intent pop-up appears when it detects a user is about to leave the website, such as through a cursor movement to the top of the page. This is a brand's final chance to gather a visitor's contact info. The second is an interactive sign-up form. Interactive forms like a Wheel of Fortune are intended to entice subscribers to sign up via a form with a gaming feel to it. In this example, the visitor enters her info and spins the wheel, stopping on a winning discount. And the third option is landing pages. These are especially useful when you're running social media or Google Ads sign-up campaigns. Rather than directing users to your website, you direct them to a fully branded landing page. Landing pages are more campaign-centric than an everyday list growth tactic. When looking for a place to start, I recommend the new visitor pop-up as the go-to tactic for growing your list. Now that you know how to build your list and why it's important to keep it clean, let's get to the fun stuff. It's time to build your first email campaign. In this section, we're going to discuss how to design compelling and attractive emails, segment your audience for targeted, personalized messaging, the right time and frequency to send your emails, and ways to analyze your performance. Are you ready? Me too. Let's start by designing your email. In 2022, brands sent 42% more emails than they did in 2021. So how do we make them stand out in the inbox and have consumers take action? Well, here are the key elements you need to make an effective email. Your email can't be effective if people don't see it. That's why crafting an engaging subject line is so important. Put your most important info at the front of the subject line and aim to make your subject lines tap into the emotion by making them concise, urgent, asking questions, and possibly using emojis. Want to see how your subject lines stack up? Check out Omnisend's free subject line tester tool linked in the video description. When it comes to email templates, don't feel the need to overdo them. When starting out, it's always best to keep your layout simple, scannable, and limit it to no more than 3 columns. You got them to open the email. Now don't ruin it with a fuzzy, pixelated image. Be sure to use high-resolution images and ensure your emails are branded with logos and the proper colors. Now, Omnisend allows you to automatically import your brand assets, so it's never been easier. Most emails today are image-heavy, so balancing copy with images is a fine art. Keep your copy brief and to the point with the most important info at the top of the email with clear, well-defined call to action buttons. Create a consistent header by placing your logo prominently at the top and include a menu bar with links to your primary categories, new arrivals, and/or customer favorites. The footer is actually pretty simple. Omnisend automatically includes the right compliance links, like an unsubscribe link, so you don't need to worry about it. And there you have it. Now that you have a well-defined email ready to send, who should you send it to? Let's talk about segmentation. Segmentation involves automatically splitting your audience into smaller groups based on a set of criteria. Segmentation has a range of benefits, from increased engagement and customer loyalty to an overall improved customer experience and fewer unsubscribes. Now, if it sounds complicated, don't worry, be happy. Platforms like Omnisend make it easy for you, even providing segment suggestions right in the platform. Now, 3 simple ways for new email marketers to segment their audience are by behavior, like browsing and purchase history, by location, such as by zip code, by demographics, such as by gender. My advice, if you're looking for a place to start, I'd use one of the suggested pre-built segments inside of Omnisend. Now, personalization goes beyond segmentation. There are more ways to add personalization to your emails, even if you don't use segmentation. Here are 2 examples. The first is personalized recommendations. Customers are 2.6 times more likely to buy items that are recommended based on their purchase history. Now, email marketing platforms like Omnisend can add personalized recommendations into your emails with only a couple clicks. The second is by using splits. Now, Omnisend offers a split feature inside of its automation. And I'll be tackling automation in just a minute, and trust me, it's a must-see. The time of day, the day of the week, and the frequency of sends all contribute to the chances of your emails being successful. According to Omnisend research, here are some tips for building out your email schedule. An e-commerce brand should send email campaigns at least twice a week, but don't be afraid to send more often. Now, it's wise to monitor your engagement and performance and adjust your frequency accordingly. Thursday has been shown to be the best day to send a promotional email, followed by Tuesday. Now, on the other hand, the worst days to send your campaigns are Monday and Saturday. As for what time to send them, promotional campaigns around workday schedules show the best results. 4 p.m. shows the highest order rates, and 1 p.m. shows good results for both opens and conversions. Now, keep in mind, there is no one-size-fits-all approach. You can use this data as a guide to get started and make adjustments based on your specific customers. Now that we've created and scheduled our email, what else can we do with email? The answer: email automation. Now, did you know automated emails generate 31% of all email orders, yet account for less than 2% of all email sends? Talk about powerful. And the best part is they run in the background, meaning you can generate sales while you sleep. Now, automated emails are behavior-based, meaning they only send when someone takes a specific action, like signing up for your emails or adding items to their shopping cart. Because of this, the messages that are sent are naturally relevant to the individual. While there are a lot of possible automations, here are the 3 essential workflows every e-commerce brand needs to have. The first is a welcome series. A welcome series is a series of messages sent to a brand new email subscribers, and the goal is to generate a conversion. Welcome messages see a conversion rate of 3% compared to a 0.08% for scheduled campaign emails. The second is abandoned cart messaging. Abandoned cart messages are sent to subscribers who place items in their shopping cart but fail to complete their orders. I know you're guilty of this. Now, these messages target customers at the purchase finish line and are extremely effective. These messages see a conversion rate of 2.4%. And the third is browse abandonment. Now, browse abandonment messages are sent to online window shoppers, those who view products but don't actually place items in their carts. These messages generate a conversion rate of 1.1%. Now, combined, these three messages make up 82% of all automated email orders. So if you're looking to email to do the heavy lifting for you, look no further than email marketing automation. It's essential in today's e-commerce environment. You can't improve what you don't measure, so having access to proper reporting is a must. While there are tons of metrics you could analyze, the three essential metrics that you should be looking at when measuring the success of your email marketing campaigns are open rate, click rate, and conversion rate. The open rate is the percentage of your emails that your subscribers open compared to the number of emails sent. The average open rate is 22.9% for campaign emails and 42.1% for automated messages. This metric is most often looked at when analyzing subject line success, so be sure to use that subject line tester I mentioned earlier. Click rate is the percentage of your emails that were clicked on compared to the number of emails sent. The average click rate is 1.2% for campaign emails and 5.3% for automated messages. The click rate helps you understand how engaging your content was for your audience. Conversion rate is the percentage of people who clicked on your emails and made a purchase compared to the number of emails sent. The average conversion rate is 0.08% for campaign emails and 1.9% for automated emails. The conversion rate shows you how effective your email was in enticing people to purchase. Now, after getting baseline metrics for your own business, look at your emails and work to optimize each aspect of them. If you can increase your opens, you can increase your clicks and increase your conversions, which means increased sales. That's right. Now, if you want even more email marketing benchmarks and analysis, including those for your specific industry, be sure to check out Omnisend's email stats report at omnisend.com, which is also linked in the video description. The potential sale impact of email marketing for your business is enormous, and the good news is with tools like Omnisend, it's never been easier to get started. Today I showed you how to successfully grow your subscriber list, how to create and design your first campaign, ways to personalize your emails, the essential reporting metrics, and how to use automated emails to achieve a 40-to-1 return on investment. By following the steps I laid out, you can increase your online sales and take your business to the next level. There's no better time than now to start generating email marketing sales with Omnisend, so don't wait. You can sign up for Omnisend for free, but if you're interested in one of our premium plans, we've got you covered. Remember that 10% off deal I mentioned earlier? Just click the link in the video description, enter the code found on YouTube at checkout, and it's all yours. For even more email marketing tips, including how to write calls to action that get clicks, be sure to check out this video on 7 powerful CTAs that work. Click now! Until next time, happy marketing.